Hi, this is Travis with Deyeme Racing. This is just a short demonstration of one of our manufacturing methods, CNC laser cutting. Our most popular items using this production method are our Dodge Dart undercarriage aero shields and the backing plates for our Fiat 124 hood vent kit and front wind splitter. Today we're doing something a little different. We're cutting out some placards to attach to gift boxes. The gift boxes will be given away as prizes to the ladies, novice, and PAX winners for this year's St. Louis Region SCCA solo program. Not as practical as underbelly trays or rear spoilers, but fun to make and a nice little demonstration of some of what we can do here at Deyeme Racing. In addition to items we manufacture in-house, we also carry many major brands for just about any make and model, whether for your race car, your tow vehicle, or just your daily driver. So if you're interested in what we might be able to do to make your car go, brake, and handle better, check us out online at www.dm-racing.com. Now, let's just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video.